Namaste, children. Good morning. Yeah, today you should learn about the concept of a little, little, a few, few. Okay, all these, no, a little, a few, and much, many, some, any, all these are adjective words only, but they come under adjective of quantity. Okay, because it is showing the quantity. Number, there are 5 crores, there are 10 watermelons. It's very easy. You get the number there. And quality, it describes the noun. That is easy. But this, no, it doesn't give you exactly how much it is, but it will tell you that is something left over. Okay, yes. So a little is used with positive quantity and non-countable nouns. What is positive quantity? In the positive statements, you don't find negative. We don't use a little in the negative statement, and it is used for non-countables like water, money, butter. Okay, all these are non-countable. Sand, hair, yeah. So it means a small amount or some. There is a little milk in the fridge, a refrigerator. There is some milk in the refrigerator is also correct. There is a little milk in the refrigerator. A little, a few. Four concepts are there today. Okay. A little means it is used with the positive and non-countable nouns. Okay. Would you like a little water? Can I have some little water? Okay. Can I have some water? Can I have a little water? Mary got a little bit of pea. Okay. Can't you discount in a little? ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದಾ? A little. So discount is a non-countable. Okay. But it shows, no ma'am, 20% discount, 40% discount. It shows the number. But exactly he doesn't say how much it is. Yeah? Yes. So using little, that is using a little. This is using little. Little expresses a diminutive size or a negative quantity. Little means almost nothing or not much. Like there is anything left in the fridge. Anything means zero, no? That is what you learned in some and any. Yeah, same way even with the little. It is negative quantity. I'm sorry, I speak little French. Means I know only little French. Means I don't know everything completely. You can say, I'm sorry, I speak little English. I don't speak with my friends with English. I speak only in Kannada in school also. Yeah? Okay. There was little time to finish my homework. Little time, not much. And ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಯ್ತು early morning you get up and you sit and write, no? Many times you'll have got punishment from me, right? No PT, you have not done with the homework and all. You remember last year when you were in 5th? Yes, children, I remember. Okay. So there was little time to finish my homework, and I also remember after you finish, you come behind me, ma'am, PT ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ma'am, we shall go to PT, please, ಅಂತ. Yeah, I'm missing all those things. Yes, children. So the kitten is little. Kitten means what? Find out and tell me. I have drunk little water this morning means little, not much ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನು ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಕೌಂಟಬಲ್ ನೌನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು ನಾನ್ ಕೌಂಟಬಲ್ ನೌನ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬರೀ ಲಿಟಲ್, ಆದರೆ ನೋ ಇಟ್ ಶೋಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಲೆಸ್, ತುಂಬ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರ. ಓಕೆ, ನನಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಷ್ಟಿಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ತುಂಬ ತೀರಾ ನಾಟ್ ಮಚ್, 1 ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್, ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಡೀಲ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಮಚ್. ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯೂ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ನೌನ್ಸ್. It means some, a small amount. Okay, some or small amount, but it is used with the plural nouns. He has a few good friends. Okay, it is countable and it is used with the plural noun. That you should keep in your mind. There are few books. You can count the books, right? A few books on the shelf. Countable. A little was non-countable. A few is countable, but it is with the plural. Okay, keep it in your mind. It's a formula. A few plus plural countable nouns. Okay. We stayed a few days in Paris and visited the Eiffel Tower. You know how many days you stayed? You can count the days. Okay, so a few days in Paris and visited the Eiffel Tower. Okay, so when do you use a little go ಮತ್ತೆ a few go ಏನು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ? A little ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ನಾನ್ ಕೌಂಟಬಲ್ ನೌನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. A few ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕೌಂಟಬಲ್ ನೌನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, yes, and this is also used for the positive statement only. Yellow negative statement illa. Okay, using few plus plural countable nouns ge idin use martivi. Let us see. Few represents a negative quantity or shortage. Same little tarane. Okay, negative quantity represent ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. Okay, there is only few grains left in my bag ಅಂತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ಯೂ ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಕಾಳು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಇರೋದು ಬ್ಯಾಗಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಕೌಂಟಬಲ್ ನೌನ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೆನಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಎನಫ್, ಸಾಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಕೌಂಟಬಲ್ ನೌನ್ಸ್. ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯೂ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯೂ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಹೂ ನೋಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಂದಿ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೌಂಟಬಲ್. ಹೌದಾ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನು ಹಿಂದಿ ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. Few represents a negative quantity and I have got few friends in the city, so I am lonely. They have got few cake on the table. He has few photos on Instagram. Okay, so few ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನನ್ನತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, ತುಂಬ ಕಮ್ಮಿ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಟ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅದೇ ಬರಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಶೋಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಇನ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ few and little goes together. A little and a few goes together. A little positive non-countable, a few positive and plural and countable nouns. Okay, yes children, here was a few examples are there. Okay, a few of us would rather be sick with a gold than to go to work. Okay, a few of us plan to visit a friend in the hospital later today. So only a small number of us would rather be sick with a cold tango to work. Cold tango means very chilly winter season. For that cold tango they say. Okay, yeah. Few means virtually none or almost zero. A few means little, handful of. Okay, little, not much. A little less than some, but more than none. Okay, we have little time, so let's start working. He put a little sugar in his coffee. Okay, yes children, so this is about a few, a little and few. Okay, any doubt, message me. Thank you, have a good day.